Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome to another episode. Today is part 8 of our church camp painting. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go ahead and share with your friends. Also, go ahead and take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff on there to help support me. And with that out of the way, we're going to get right into today's video. So today we're going to be focusing completely on all these fine details. For that, we're going to be using some phthalo green, some raw umber, titanium white, Mars black, and a little bit of yellow ochre. And we're just going to be going through with a fine line brush and doing a whole bunch of small details. I'm going to also be mixing up some orange and adding in just a little bit more highlights to some of these dead leaves and things like that. And this took a lot longer than I was expecting it to. I have about 3.5 hours worth of footage here, so I ended up having to stop and make another episode. So this is just going to take a little bit longer than my normal paintings do. It is bigger than my normal ones, so that makes sense. right, that's going to about do it for this episode. If you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. All right, these details are coming out good. Tune in next time. We'll get this foreground finished up and probably move on to these bricks. Remember, if this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button and that like button and go ahead and share it. Take a visit to that website, and I'll see you in the next episode.